Happy Easter, guys. Once again, this is your friend Adrian. Another powerful video I'm going to share with you how to make money in 2020 with the Conversion Pros, guys. All right, guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys, as you can see, I'm on the Conversion Pro website that you can see. And this is my tiny URL that I know I get hits to my links that you see. I can show you more, guys, if I just expand the search right there to the 100, and you can see that I can track every one that hit my links, guys, with the Conversion Pros. And how I can do that is click on hypothetically do this 236. This is a capture page too I made, right? Because with the Conversion Pros, you can make different capture pages. Like I made this page right here, and then when they click here, guys, they will go to right here, guys. Pages I make with the Conversion Pros. So let me click that off because I don't want the audio to pop on you like that. So let's go back to Conversion Pros. So and also you can click View, and you can click on the stats and the logs where people came from. I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to show people information. So this is the Conversion Pros marketing system, guys. Very powerful to have. It's very, it's only $50 a month, but it's 2 weeks for free, so you can test it out and make things happen. Now, how I test my pages like this right here is from my free advertising right here, guys. It's free, but you can be platinum member when you pay every month, but it's also free. That you can see, I'm on level 12 right there on the ladder position. I had a lot of other videos to explain the ladder position, guys. I ain't gonna go in too deep with that, but I'm on level 12, and higher level you get, more exposure you get to your websites. And I show you the websites that I am promoting, and it is the level ladder right here that you see. If you're a platinum member, you can do 20 um, different capture pages, however you want to do it. And right here, this is what I do. I'm on level 12. I got over 3 million views, guys. And these are the points that adds up right there. And what I'm doing, guys, is this. Uh, Let me show you. Erase this real quick. I go to the link rotator and I test different landing pages and sell pages with this, guys. So this is one of my link rotators right here. As you can see, URLs I got posted, 259. So let's click on view, click on advanced. Okay. Now you can have them active. You see I have these active and I have something that's not active, guys. So these are all the pages I've been making, the tests, and you can see the active and not active. And I have these pages active also, guys. And you can see the hits that have been hitting to each and every last one, guys. So this is the Conversion Pros, guys. So you don't need, you can test different capture pages and different sell pages, what works and what don't work, you know. And that's how I'm doing this right here. Something like this, guys. Something very simple. But I have many like this. I have videos. I have different capture pages. Just not this one. Part of my link rotator right here, guys. You know. Now these are all ones I have created also, but they inactive right now. And you see that I have a lot that is active. You know. No 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you go to the bottom of the page. So with my free traffic method, they see these right here with my link rotator, guys. That's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and so on, guys. So I can decide what this right here see. And also, guys, I want to show you the tools we have, guys. Everything you need if you want to start working for yourself from home, guys. We got the autoresponder, we got the broadcaster, guys, memory manager, contact manager, page builder. I just showed you right here. We could build multiple pages, guys. So that's awesome. Text message, webinar builder, invoice builder, link rotator, what I just showed you right here, guys. So you can test different type of pages. And also mobile app and tiny URL creator, guys, that I showed you right here. And you can create the link like that. And this is your tiny URL right there, guys. And you can look at the stats, the tiny URL stats, and the logs, guys. I don't show you the logs because I don't want to show people personal stuff. You can buy leads from our platform in your back office, and the how to generate more sales is you contact the people, guys. Now that's a little more harder worker than just clicking on ads. Well, I will tell you right here, guys. This is a free platform and also it's a paid platform. Of course, I'm a platinum member, so I do earn commissions, but it's also free. Just watch some of my videos below in my YouTube channel, and you understand what the difference is. But all you gotta do is click to earn points right here, and when the timer count down, you earn points. As you see, I got 32,000 points so far today. Since we ain't working, we got time to do it now. So, and you just let the timer go down and click on the next thing. And what I like about this program, guys, is that I learned a lot of ad copy from this. So it benefit me in both ways. Not only did I get a lot of leads from this, guys, but I also learned a lot about ad copy by looking at different ads like this. So it benefits me both ways, guys. It's just a quick little video, guys. If you want to make money in 2020 with the Conversion Pros, all you have to do is build a system. And these are my pages. But if you want to create a page with the Conversion Pros, all you do is create page and whatever. Now, if you got two business, click on this, guys. You got one business, click on this. If you want to go from scratch with a capture page, click on this. If you want more videos, 2 videos, we got that right here, guys. You want 3 videos on one page, we got that, guys. So it's unlimited, guys, what you can do with the Conversion Pros. So video with bullet point right there. So we have so many templates that you can do. But I always say when you want to start with a capture page, all you gotta do is click on edit component right there, guys. That's it. And it'll do the work for you, all right? Of course, you want to title it, name it, put your mail campaign, whatever that you have, and pick background. You want to provide your own background, you can. Crop mobile background image for mobile, you can do that. Edit component. Edit component basically means is you can add more text to this sale page or capture page. You can add a click here button if you want. Um, you know, information, photo right there, pictures, and also social media buttons, guys. So it's unlimited what you can do with this page, guys. If you want to change the color of the background, you can, like that. You want to change to the blue, you can, like that. So